What is up, YouTube? What is up to the YouTube? Yes, I'm back with another video. Hey, back with another video. Hey, you guys, Charlene here, and today I'm back with another video. And today is Haitian Flag Day. Woo! So I'm so happy it's Haitian Flag Day. Shout out to all my Zoes. This is our day, Haiti Independence. So I just wanted to do Haitian Lip playlist video for you guys because I know my last two Haitian Lip playlist videos, everybody fell in love. So the fact that it's Haitian Flag Day, your girl is coming back with the third one, okay? It's only right. I call myself the Haitian diva, so it's important for me to embrace that Haitianness into my channel platform. But anyways, you guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new, follow me on my social media if you're not following me already. It's gonna get lit. Make sure you grab your snacks, grab your popcorn, get ready so you can cope on and dance with me too. It's gonna be super. Let's do that again. It's gonna be super fun. It's gonna be super lit. So let's get into it. And okay, you guys. So today I got so many Haitian bangers. Like y'all gonna fall in love with me as well.
C'est bon Dieu qui fait me deviner là. Pas que tu peux faire la go, ni fait ton la lito. Pas que tu peux faire la go, ni fait ton la lito. Mamma mia. changer. D'accord pour ça, vous voulez. Plus belle rêve que moi gagne.
Right here.
Tout
Okay. Hold on.
Bagay, ouais, moi je charge bagay, bagay, quel côté tout bon bagay, bagay, oui, moi je charge bagay, bagay. Moi je charge bagay dans mes changer bagay nan el li. Gen bagay. Si ta mwen m'explike, pawan mwen yon pa pase, sa mwen avek pase. Nan men mwen pou grave, mwen ta yon grave. Mwen ta manje pliye, sa mwen avek ou pase. Changer ça. Toujours l'intégral, pas de choc à effacer. Petit moment, toujours l'intégral, pas de choc à effacer.
And that's on per, okay? And that's on per. Messi tout moon, thank you everyone for watching my video. I really appreciate it. That is basically it for the video, the Haitian Lip playlist. I hope you guys like it a lot. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not subscribed. And one more time, happy Haitian Flag Day, Independence Day to my country, my Haiti. You know, shout out to everybody who's Haitian, all my Zoes out there. It's our day. It's our day. And that's on one, that's on per. Let me stop. But thank you guys once again for for watching this video from beginning to the end, because if you did, you're a real one. I put my hair in a ponytail because, girl, it was getting real. It was getting real. I know everybody like when I do these videos, so, you know, I will be doing more in the future if that's what you guys really, really, really want. Let me know down below in the comments, but overall, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.